Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I have prepared the basic steps for hustle for leaders. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and begin with a beautiful Latin dance posture. Our feet are gonna be in nice V shape, heels together, toes slightly apart, ankles, knees, hips and shoulders nicely stacked up, abs engaged, chest open and shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. My challenge is for you to focus on keeping this nice posture throughout. Let's go ahead and discuss the steps for Hustle Basic. For your ease of learning, I'm going to switch my view into mirror view image so it's easy for you guys to follow along. To begin, we're going to tap with our left foot, replace our back onto the right, and go ahead and do march, march, left and right. That's it. Let's try that one more time. Left foot back, replace weight onto the right, left and right. I'm going to turn around sideways so you can see it from the other angle. Tap onto your left, replace weight back onto the right, march, march. For footwork, we are going to just go ahead and tap on the ball of our foot on the left, ball flat on the right, and ball flat, ball flat. Once again, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. Very good. Let's go ahead and discuss the timing for hustle. We are going to take a first step, and that's going to be ah, which is a quarter of a beat. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. As you can notice, ah, the very first step, is gonna be the final quarter beat of a number 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and try together to the music. Stand tall, nice Latin posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ah, 1, 2, 3. It is time for us to discuss the techniques of hustle. One thing to take a note is when you're taking a step back onto the left foot, make sure to bring some of your weight onto that left foot. It's not going to be 100% obviously because we're not bringing our heel down, but you want to bring some of the weight down onto the left foot before you replace weight back onto the right in order to stay on the beat. Otherwise, if you just tap and go, it's going to be very rushed through, and it also kind of ruins the characteristics of hustle, which has mostly straight legs and good posture throughout. So make sure when you're doing the rock step to bring some of the weight onto that left foot and bring yourself back onto the marching position. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out the basic steps for hustle. If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!